Just like what is described, I have been using it for a week. Everything seems just fine. My mobile office consists of a Dell Inspiration 15-inch laptop, mouse, portable 12-inch monitor, spiral-bound Japanese notepad, brochures with papers, power bank, and cell phone. My stash also includes multiple cables. All of my items the main compartment with additional capacity. The side pouches are lengthy to hold my water coffee thermos and umbrella. The front compartment allows for all my various size cables and adapters. USB port connects to my power bank and smartphone even when in the security back pocket. The flat black matte waterproof material gives a modern and professional look. Love this book bag. I feel it's well padded for my laptop. Use it for work daily and fits all my things. Love the pockets and compartments. Click link in description for more reviews.